God will never send a flood. What is up, you guys? Today we are playing Spleef and Gorilla Tag. Let's go.
Yeah, guys. I'm not gonna redo my intro. Probably. Alright, you will not be teleported to the arena when game starts.
Oh, I've played this map before.
Okay, wait, how do you join? Oh, never mind.
Yeah, I've done this.
Oh, I know what we can do now. Minecraft music?
It sounds like Minecraft music.
You know we can collect snowballs. You know that, right?
Oh, I fell.
Imagine falling? Okay, I kinda messed up right there.
No! I ran into the pool.
Shoot, okay. No, please! Dang it.
Yo, how'd you
Shoot.
fall to my level? Yo!
No! I fell all the way down. Oh, well, that's good. That's probably like the greatest thing ever.
Thank you.
I hope you know that I can send airstrikes to literally wherever I want. No! I hate this!
Did I win?
Sadly.
Yo, that's not fair. I won.
You don't get that victory just yet.
But I won.
No, I hate this. No! Okay, not again. Just gonna relax on my own level.
No, I fell off all the way.
Imagine. Couldn't it be me?
No, you don't get to enjoy the
It was definitely me.
You don't get to enjoy the win.
How dare you restart it?
You don't get to enjoy your win. I didn't get to.
That's why you're gonna fall again.